Welcome back to Ease with Tech, the channel where we make technology work for you. From the smartest gadgets to game-changing tools, we show you how tech can save time, money, and effort in your everyday life. Ever drilled hole after hole in the ice, wasted hours, and still gone home with barely a catch? Yeah, that's the pain every ice angler knows. But what if I told you there's a way to actually see fish live beneath the ice, save time, and make your trips way more successful? This is the Garmin LiveScope Plus Ice Fishing Bundle, LI, paired with Garmin Navionics Plus U.S. inland maps. And today I'll show you not just what it is, but how it solves the biggest problems ice anglers face. Traditional ice fishing means drilling dozens of holes hoping to find fish. Time wasted, energy gone. But LiveScope changes that. With LiveScope's real-time sonar, you can see fish up to 200 feet around you, before you even drop a line. Drill fewer holes, spend less energy, and get straight to the action. Not knowing the underwater terrain is another nightmare. Fish love structure, but finding it is tough. With Garmin Navionics plus inland maps, you get highly detailed depth contours, lake bottom maps, and even updates on fish holding areas. Instead of guessing, you're making informed decisions, and that means more bites. Most sonar systems are heavy and a pain to drag onto the ice. This bundle uses a lithium-ion battery, giving you up to 65% more battery life, while being lighter and easier to carry. More fishing time, less hassle. So, instead of wasting half your day searching, you're catching more fish, saving energy, and making every trip worth it. See fish live under the ice in real time, drill fewer holes, save energy. Use detailed inland maps to find structure fast. Lightweight, long-lasting lithium battery. More fish, less frustration. If you want to stop wasting time and finally make your ice fishing trips more rewarding, this Garmin LiveScope Plus Ice Fishing Bundle is the solution. I'll drop the link below so you can check today's price. Because at the end of the day, it's not about gear. It's about making memories on the ice. Tight lines, and I'll see you out there. Thanks for watching Ease with Tech. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech solutions, and don't forget to check the link in the description for today's deal. Until next time, stay smart, stay tech savvy,